Hello, and welcome to Joyful Tune-ins. Today we're going to show you how to send the light before you. As you begin to create your day, it is most wonderful to go into a meditation and envision sending the light before you to all the places that you plan to go to that day physically, be it the bank, grocery shopping, doing your errands, getting your car washed, visiting friends. So what you want to do through your third eye center is to envision sending the white light before you, literally before you. So when you get there, the space will be conditioned with lots of love, balance, and harmony. And you may be surprised at the level of interaction and conversation you will have by doing this. It always works. You always send the light before you. You surround your car with the white light. And it's good to feel when you send the light, when you request the light to go before you, to prepare your way, your day, that you feel what that is like in your body, to feel that resonance. It's a very warm, it's a very loving vibration. And that vibration can help heal the body and can help keep your body in balance. So remember, always send the light before you go out into your day. And also you can do this before you go to sleep, to send the light into your dream time, your out-of-body travels. And you want to travel beyond the astral plane. So any region above the astral plane is good. So that's the tip for today. Have a great day. And know that you can do this and that it works. Many blessings.